The dedication of the Hoover Dam in 1935 captured the Colorado River to form the massive reservoir known today as Lake Mead. Lake Mead is the largest reservoir in the United States and is hugely important because it provides over 25 million people in Arizona, Nevada, and California with drinking water. It supplies hydroelectric power through the Hoover Dam to several major cities, and is the source of irrigation for 2.5 million acres of cropland. Climate change and increased water demand are major threats to the supply of water in Lake Mead. By the end of the 21st century, droughts are projected to increase in both frequency and severity for the southwest United States. Less precipitation and growing populations in the future lead to projections of an increased demand of 18.1 to 20.4 million acre-feet on the Colorado River, Lake Mead's source, by 2060. Lake Mead has already remained below its full capacity since 1983, and the combined pressures of drought and increased demand will continue to lower the supply of water within the reservoir. If the water level in Lake Mead drops below 1,075 feet, the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation will decrease the amount of water states can withdraw from the Colorado River. Current water levels are very near this threshold, and most states in the watershed have been working hard to decrease their withdrawals from the Colorado River because if the water level in Lake Mead drops below 1,050 feet, hydroelectric power from the Hoover Dam will stop being generated. Lake Mead is on the tipping point of either being recovered through careful planning and management or reaching a dead level where water will no longer be able to be pumped out. In the future, states will have to be very cautious about their water demand on the Colorado River and Lake Mead.